So I've done what I wanted to do. So again, small flip through. This will be a short. So those are my one-off tasks. Again, catch-up tasks, preparation tasks, daily tasks, weekly tasks, monthly tasks, yearly tasks. And then this is the German video for Polyglot Mona called Lake Ammer, but in German it's Ammersee, 1 Eching. It belongs to my hiking guide series. This is the same video in English, then in French, in Spanish, Italian, Russian. And you can see which parts of the project are done and which are not. And the same with the disclaimer.